One of the great ways to get new ideas for your Mighty Network and to explore the possibilities of the platform is to take a look at real life examples of successful Mighty Networks. This video is going to show you around a successful Mighty Network that's used to promote and give visibility to a movement in the real estate industry. It connects the people interested in this movement, gives them information, helps them take action, and also helps them to get together in real life in-person events. I'm Marcia Chadley, here to help you be successful using the Mighty Networks platform. We're looking at a Mighty Network today that's been going for 8 months. When Jim Heid started working with me, he had no idea really what the Mighty Networks platform could do. He had a vision for where he wanted to go, and he's taken it great places. After 3 months of working with me, he launched the platform, launched his network. 5 months later, he has 300 members in it, and he's filled his latest in-person forum in record time. People who are passionate about real estate development as a community building tool often work for themselves or in very small firms, a bit isolating. They were having in-person events to share ideas, to support each other, and Jim wanted to bring that online so that there was a chance for people to get together and have community outside of those in-person events. He created Building Small as a public Mighty Network. It's free to join, and it has read-only access if you want to explore before you join. Building Small is about creating physical spaces that allow activity and communities to thrive. It's about transformation over transaction and community over commodity. Mighty Networks is just the perfect place to build a Building Small community because it does the same thing online. It's about building thriving online communities and activity. Once Jim saw that, he was really excited. The pivot between thinking about creating a static filing cabinet of information like a website to an interactive experience that you can put together on Mighty Networks was a game changer for him. Building Small was built using small principles, focuses on the community. It supports small builders and developers who are action-oriented, so it provides support and information and tools so they can get things done. It's an online community to help these passionate individuals stay connected when they aren't together in person. It's organized into 5 areas or collections. The first one welcomes and orients the new members. There's one for resources and conversation. Then there's the online side of the in-person forums, coaching support, and legal information. We're still exploring this network without having joined it or signed in. If we want to add a comment, we're going to have to create our free account and join Building Small. Once we're logged in, we can comment on other people's posts, and we can post our own things, share our own ideas and questions. Jim is excited at how easily and seamlessly people are engaging here and how much people have been looking for that type of online community. Research articles, case studies, and other tools for those working in small-scale development are shared here in What is Small and also in Resources for Building Small. The Experiencing Small collection supports the small-scale developer forums, the in-person meetings for this group. You can find out in general what they are and where they've been. You can also find out about the upcoming small development forums. Now, if this wasn't sold out, there'd be a link here to register. And once you register, you're invited into a space where you can connect with the other people coming to the forum, and during the forum also connect. You get agendas, you can find out about speakers. This is the place where you have the online connection prior to and during the in-person forums. After the forum is over, you can go back and learn about the things that were shared there here in the vault. The Building Small network uses one of the available global features, the Global Activity Feed. It's been renamed What's New, and it shows a member all of the activity happening in the activity feeds that they belong to here within this community. At the bottom of the navigation bar, one of the available custom navigation links is set up to take people to Jim's book on Amazon. I asked Jim what surprised him about building or running the network, and his first thought was the ease of working with the platform. He said, "I'm a very visual person and a big systems thinker, but not a techie person. So I'd envisioned something for building small, but I had no idea how it was going to work. And I managed to put together a number of the built-in features and tools to get the look and feel and the user experience I was hoping for." And the really telling thing, he said, people who enter are shocked at how robust it is, and I get compliments all the time on what an amazing platform Mighty Networks is. A Mighty Network is always growing and evolving. Jim is looking for new team members to help him create more engagement, add more content, and also bring in more virtual access with his live events. There's more for you to explore when you come visit this network, and also as you look around the Mighty Networks platform for new ideas that you can use. If you'd like more help from me, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tip and tutorial type of videos. You're welcome to look around my free Mighty Network for the different ideas and examples that I showcase there. The link's in the video description. And I also enjoy helping hosts with their unique situations with private one-on-one support or in a small group setting.